Hi everyone, my name is Liam McMahon. I'm a currency strategist here at globalfxclub.com. I'm here today to talk to you about our trading signals, tell you exactly what it is that those are, and some of the advantages that they offer to traders of all levels and abilities. All right, so please take a moment to read the risk disclaimer very quickly. I'm not offering any trade advice in this particular video, but just to be on the safe side, please take a moment to read the disclaimer. All right, so a little bit about our other services. We offer fundamental technical analysis, a live trading room, 4 webinars a week, an education section, and then the trading signals. Most people are very interested in our trading signals, and so that's what this video is going to focus on. But we do offer quite a range of other things, should that be of interest to you. All right, so how do we receive the signals? Our trading signals are delivered in a variety of different ways. We have a private Skype room for our members in which only the team members post, and we only post signals so as not to clutter up your Skype stream. We also have a private members-only Twitter page in which we tweet all of our trades and all of our updates. All updates and all trades go out also by email. We post everything in the on-site chat rooms. And then we also offer text message signals as well, should that be something you're interested in. We do everything in our power to make sure that our members receive our signals in a timely and useful way. So we offer a bunch of different options. All of these options are available to members. You don't have to pick one. We do all trades again across all of these platforms to make sure that you get the signals as soon as possible. So the signals themselves. What are the signals made out of? Each signal contains the following elements. An entry, either a market or a limit order, which is where to get in, a stop, where we're going to take our loss, and a target, where we're going to take profits. Then the other thing that we add to our signals, which makes us a little bit different than some of the other signal services out there, is we also include an image of the setup. Which hopefully will explain to you exactly why we're taking the trade and what we're looking at. The goal of the signals is, of course, to offer you great risk-reward opportunities in the Forex trading world, but we're also trying to, by including the setup, we're also trying to make sure that they're educational as well. By looking through our signals, you can see exactly how our strategists analyze the market and exactly what we're looking at when we take each trade. If the setup is unclear, of course, you're always welcome to come ask in the chat room. We'll be happy to explain it to you. But the signals themselves offer a well-delineated setup that helps hopefully give you a little bit more information as to why we're taking the trade and give you some strategies that you can apply in your trading, your individual trading as well. All right, we also have active trade management, which means once we open a trade, we don't just ignore it. We continue to manage the trade should it be necessary. And all of these updates go out across the same platforms that the initial trading signals do as well. These can include closing a trade early, taking partial profits, removing a third or a quarter of the open position, trailing our stops either to break even or to lock in some profits, or maybe even adding on to a position if that's in the interest of the trade. So now the next 4 slides are going to show you exactly how all of this works by using a real example from earlier this month. This is a Euro CAD trade that we took earlier this month. I'm going to show you all the tweets that went out about it, and all of those updates also went out across the other platforms, and I'm going to show you the setup as well. Okay, so 11 o'clock p.m., that's Eastern Time, on the 12th of June, 2013. You can see here TweetDeck has marked when the tweet was received. Short Euro CAD at market. Here's our entry. We got in at 136.42. Here's our stop, 136.82 stop, so a 40 pip stop. And we're looking for about 200 pips lower at 134.0. All right, here's a link to our disclaimer, and this is the 4-hour setup. We include a link to an image. If you went to that image, this is what you would get. All right, so this is one of our Elliott wave setups. You will also see setups from that use an Ichimoku strategy, a moving average strategy, and then just a general price action strategy like trendline breaks and things of that nature. This is an Elliott wave strategy. It uses a Fibonacci extension from this move here, this A to B wave here. That 100% extension came in here at 136.53 or so, and that's where we look to get short. We also marked the significant momentum divergence here, as we have a clear ascending trend line and a clear descending momentum indicator. All right, so that's what we pointed out, looking for this to be the C wave and then a move lower. So that is the example of the setup that you would get. All right, it explains exactly why we took the trade. It points out an indicator. It points out possible wave count, and it also shows a Fibonacci extension. All right, so that's the first tweet that went out. Then about 4, maybe 5 hours later, in the wee hours in the morning, 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time, the 13th of June, the next day, this tweet went out. Staying short EuroCAD from 136.42. However, moving stops to break even. Target remains 134. So there we said to all of our members, our stops are now at break even. Please update your trade accordingly if that's what you want to do. We are now not going to take a loss on this trade. Finally, about 5 hours later, 8:36 a.m. Eastern Time, 13th of June 2013, the final tweet went out, closing EuroCAD shorts from 136.42 here at 135.30 for 112. All right, so this includes where we exited, the initial entry, and the profit. Our members also still have access, of course, to the previous tweet showing that our original target was 134. Should they desire to hold on to the trade for another 100 pips lower, they're welcome to give that a shot. The reason we closed this trade is our strategists noticed some support coming in on smaller time frames and the possibility of a move higher. So we decided to book our 112 pips, giving us nearly a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. All right, so that's how the signals work. We get the first one, there's our trade where we entered, where our stop is, where our target. Here's the setup that we looked at. Here we move to break even. Here we close the whole position for 112 pips. We often will take partial credit or partial profits if that is in the interest of the trade. And sometimes we'll also trail our stops beyond break even to lock in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pips. But this particular trade, those are the 3 tweets that went out. All right, so that's how our signals work. We think that including the setup and providing the active management gives our members the best chance of success and also encourages them to grow and become better traders on their own. If you have any questions about our signals, our other services, or if you want to start a free 2-week trial, please visit us at globalfxclub.com. Thank you for watching, good luck trading, and hopefully we'll see you soon.